Hello and welcome to Epic for the 2021-2022 school year. I'm so excited to have you guys. This video is to just show you guys how to get logged in and really get started on everything that you need to know. This is my page. As you can see, I have tons of favorites saved. Yours may not look like this, but I highly suggest any pages that you need to have every year. You should definitely favorite them up there. It makes it a lot easier than having to type it in and things like that. So if you haven't already, make sure that you're using Google Chrome for everything. It is going to be the most adaptable to everything that we use. So over here on the top right, you'll see this is my picture because I'm logged in as myself. But if you're not logged in, you're going to see you're going to log in right here. So I'm going to add and act like I'm adding someone. So you'll set up your Chrome profile. You'll click sign in. When you sign in, you're going to put your Epic username and email in here, and it's going to log you into Chrome. That way, anything that you have saved up here as favorites, you can log into Chrome from any device, and if you log in as yourself, all of your favorites will be up here. So if you don't have your computer and you have to use a different one, you can log into Chrome up here and use it for something else. But the main thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to clever.com. And when you go to clever.com, you're going to log in as a student. As you can see, mine logs in as me. So I'm going to start from the very beginning. When you do that, you're going to get this first page. It's going to say login, search for your school. You are going to type in vote, VOGT, dash Franzio. That is my principal MDI team. They have changed it this year for Epic, so please keep that in mind. You're going to click on this, and that's going to be our school. Then you're going to click login with Google. And when you log in with Google, you're going to see your profile. I'm going to click on mine right here. Obviously, mine has a ton of applications on here. Don't panic. Yours will not look like this. I'm just trying to show you how to log in. So any apps that you need for your curriculum or anything, it should be up here. These are all favorited. So you may not have any favorites yet. So you may have to scroll down and see and find your core curriculum. And like I said, yours won't have as much of this as mine does. If you're in Plato, it's going to be this E right here that says Edmentum Courseware Assessment. Okay, that will be your core curriculum. If you have a different curriculum like Edgenuity, this is what Edgenuity looks like. And then MobyMax is right here. There's Accelerate, Apex, Bright Thinker, Waterford. So they all look a little bit different, but you should see it. Another assignment you will have for anyone third grade and up, you will have Tutor Me, and that is required for all students to participate in at least one orientation session for the year. So Tutor Me, you'll have to do an orientation, and it's on another slide, and there's also a how-to video on there. But this is a Tutor Me icon. This is what it looks like. So I hope that helps you on learning how to log in.